This is Mangwele mountain. A mountain is elevated portion of the earth crust, generally with steep side that shows significant exposed bedrock. A mountain differs from a plateau in having a limited summit area and is larger than a hill, typically rising at least 300 meters, which is 1,000 feet above the surrounding land. Today, I don't want to talk about mountain, but I want to talk about Mangwele. Mangwele is a mountain located in Tshakhuma, located at Tshakhuma, Vembe District, Makado Municipality, Limpopo Province, South Africa. The estimated terrain elevation above sea level is 1,230 meters. Ndiyo netaba ya Mangwele noni ne wanala Tshakhuma chinodhiwa nga Tshakhuma cha madziva ndira. Etaba nga olapfa ianganyelwa elevation ya hone above sea level ianganyelwa ka 1,230 chanduko ramunganga mupo ndi vathu.